What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is Shoplifter Karen Gets Surprise of Her Life. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
To do with yourselves when you're so bored that you want me to go through all of this so you can watch. That's literally how bored you motherfucking people are.
Well, yeah, we do kind of want you to go through this so that way we do have something to watch. You know, thanks for the content, Karen. Thank you.
You're evil!
Hey, Dina. Hey, stop for a second. Hey, I'm Officer Swindle. Do you remember talking to me before?
Yeah.
Okay, you're detained right now, okay? Are those your shoes? Can you hear me?
Can I hear you?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Can you hear me?
Let's walk outside, okay?
I just want
Where's
some
the Lance
catfish. Who's Lance?
at? Lance
I
Bell.
just want some catfish.
Okay.
Can I get some catfish, please?
What happened to your
Can I
feet?
get some catfish, officer?
Hey, sir. Did you say these are y'all's shoes?
Yeah, you can take them off the show.
Okay, hey, come back this way, dude.
Oh, you touching me. Why is he touching me?
I don't need
What
you to
did I
walk
just
away
pass?
from
What
me.
threshold did I just cross over?
Listen, you have their shoes on. Okay.
The judge?
Were these stolen earlier?
The judge!
Hey, stop. Okay. Hey, stop. Stop. Dina, stop. 1341.
Pineapple wins.
Hey, stop.
Pineapple wins.
Do you want to press charges for all that goods? Okay. Hey, what did you take, Dina? Are you... Dina, do you have drugs on you? Did you take something?
No.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, because you seem intoxicated on the substance to me. I know you have done cocaine before. Is that what you did again? Okay. I'm gonna go out here. I have another officer coming. Can you, I guess, verify these shoes? Can you find where that tag is?
Yeah, I'll go get you.
Okay. Are you hurt?
No.
Okay.
You're pushing hard with your thumb on my hand.
Sorry. Is that better?
On my hand. I'm sorry. On my arm.
Yeah, I
You were
got you.
pushing hard with your thumb on my arm.
Well,
You were
that's
pushing
because you
hard with
didn't.
your thumb on my
That's because
arm.
you didn't let me put
My
cuffs
arm
on you.
hurt because you were
Okay.
pushing hard on it with your thumb.
Okay.
My arm hurt because you were pushing hard with it on your thumb.
What do they call them things? NPCs? You see them people that be on TikTok that be like, da 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 da. Like I'm a bad imitator. You know what I'm saying? But they be like, nah, I gotta look it up. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. You know what I'm talking about. Like this guy.
On TikTok, I'm getting pretty nervous. Cheese, that's really spicy. I don't think. Thanks. I'm getting pretty thirsty. You guys are amazing. On TikTok, I'm getting pretty nervous.
Like,
Ooh, first gifter. Welcome to the team. Hey, thanks for the rose. I'll make sure I give those to Peter. Oh, we're taking a break, are we? I won't mind that. Hey, thanks for the rose. Don't think I should GG, my boy. Hey, thanks for the rose. Hey, thanks for the rose. Man, I love gummy.
you hear how she talking? She sound like one of them NPC people.
Your thumb on my hand.
Sorry. Is that better?
On my hand. I'm sorry. On my arm.
Yeah, I
You were
got you.
pushing hard with your thumb on my arm.
Well,
You were
that's
pushing
because you
hard with
didn't.
your thumb on my
That's because
arm.
you didn't let me put
My
cuffs
arm
on you.
hurt because you were
Okay.
pushing hard on it with your thumb.
Okay.
My arm hurt because you were pushing hard with it on your
See
thumb.
what I'm saying?
Your
Well, I was
thumb
just
hurt
trying to
my
control
arm.
your movements because you were eating a bunch of cake and throwing it all over the ground. You can sit right here. You don't have to get all the way in, but that way you're not leaning on a hot car, okay? Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Can I feel on the back side right there?
No.
Well, I don't want your hands to be near it, okay? I'm just patting you at the back
Near
of my
what?
hand. If you had anything on you. Okay. What is going on?
I'm just not feeling right.
Okay. Why?
Because!
Okay. okay? Did you drink today? Or take any drugs? Are you having any sort of medical condition? Can you look at me? Okay. I'm worried about your safety, okay? So what did you take,
I'm hot.
Nina? Okay.
I'm gonna die of dehydration.
Can I search your bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I have one of the drinks in, please?
If it is sealed, maybe, unless you just stole it
They're
from
all
HEB.
sealed.
Did you steal them from HEB?
I accidentally did.
Okay, well then I'm not gonna let you have that because you stole them. Okay? And that wouldn't be right for me to allow you to steal the property. What about these shoes here?
What's that white stuff on my shoe?
This is part of the cake that you were throwing all over the ground.
Is it? Can I lick it?
No. Can you lean back real quick? Okay, I'm just gonna put this on you in case we get hit. Hey, what substances did you take? Do you take medications or anything?
No.
Okay. What illegal drugs?
None.
Go ahead.
Correct! Correct! C-O-R-R-E-C-T. Correct. To correct something is to fix a mistake.
Yes, you're right. Can you hang out with her for just a second?
So what happened is, when I was on the phone with dispatch, they said, "Do you want a CT?" I said, "She hasn't done anything," and we warned her, and she stopped. I said, and then they hung up, and right when they hung up, then she stole that stuff, and then he called him outside, but I hadn't gotten to talk to him yet, and so he just did the well check and let him go, and then by the time he came to me, I was like, "Oh, they stole a whole bunch of stuff too." He's like, "Crap." He's like, "They didn't tell me that when you called," and I said, "Yeah, they'd already hung up." So
I got you. No worries. Do you have your ID with you?
yeah.
I work for and my name is Dina. I am under their surveillance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I am under their surveillance of Texas, USA. You looking over here?
Hey,
Hi.
stop talking.
Hi, motherfucker. I was still feeling so fucking bored, and y'all don't know what to do with yourselves when you're so bored that you want me to go through all of this shit so you can watch. That's literally how bored you motherfucking people are. You all are evil. Evil motherfuckers. Oh, that made a light come on. Hysterical. Now the light's flashing. Hysterical. Keyword hysterical. Women be hysterical. Hilarical. Lyrical. Lyrical genius. I'm a lyrical genius. I'm a
Yeah, but even though she's talking a lot, hooting and hollering and all that, I could look at her eyes. She's not as bad as she was like at Walmart or whatever grocery store they were at. Like she was really zoned out then, like really high. Now she's just like cuckoo. She's just cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs right now.
mastermind.
But her eyes are a lot more open. They're a lot more with it. Before she was just kind of like this. You know?
I'm Kanye West. Snap, snap, snap. Snap to it. Snap to it, Dina. You're
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Snap to it, Dina. You're slacking off. You better get to work, Dina. Why are you at work, Dina? You need to go to work, Dina. Why aren't you at work, Dina? You better get to work. Amanda's gonna know you're gonna be late for work, Dina. Amanda's gonna know. Amanda's gonna know. Amanda Ross. R-O-S. Romeo Oscar Sierra. Amanda Ross! Evil See you next Tuesday. See you next never. You're a conniving. I don't take letters away. I add letters. I just added 55 ins for nigger. I can say whatever word I want to say because I am Dean Jr. and you all fucking
Dana, sit down.
Girl, what are you stealing for? Girl, you know, I just be playing all the time. Don't you ever be playing? No. Have you been here before? No.
She has.
The officer's conduct in this situation was exemplary. He treated the suspect with respect and dignity in the face of some challenging behavior. Dana was charged with theft, criminal mischief, public intoxication, disorderly conduct, and from a previous incident, she was also charged with failure to appear. If you want to see brand new, unseen body...
Damn. They threw the book at her. Rightfully so, man. She was acting like a clown. I ain't gonna lie. All I can say is don't do drugs, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna get a cop. You know, I'm gonna give him a 4. He did do pretty good with her. Like, he did do pretty good with her. So, how well did the officers do? Let me know in the comment section.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.